Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks. As I assured you all that I will be showing some different corners of my house which I am going to reorganize because all of my friends by now they know that my house is under renovation. Today I will be showing you how to arrange a cluttered drawer, mainly that is bedside table drawer. So generally it becomes loaded with materials, but one thing I must tell you friends that this entirely varies from person to person. What are the essentials you would like to keep in your bedside drawer? For me, it's mainly essential is some reading material, some books, and my regular medicines, and my clutcher clips and all, and something to scribble. All these are my needs. So it may vary from person to person. It may vary from your location to location, or whatever your passion or whatever your necessities. Okay, so let's instead of loading with so much talking, so let's go directly to the arrangement. And before that, if you all like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends those who will be interested in it, and those who have not yet subscribed new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe my channel friends. I will be bringing many more interesting videos like this very soon, and those who have already subscribed my channel and those who are with me throughout my journey, a lot of thanks to all of them. So let's directly go to the bedside table. So this is the small bedside table. Here I have some cable connections also to charge my phone and all. So just look at it. Oh no, how cluttered it is. I told you friends, I need some books, some reading materials are very essential. Anyway, you can see how cluttered and how disorganized it is. Now let me clear it out first. First of all, I will make it empty. I'll clear everything whatever it is inside. So first let me take them out as soon as possible, and after that I will be cleaning it. I will clean it very nicely, properly. I will not put any runner. If you like, you can put some runner also. Now I will organize the material according to their category. First of all, I am keeping here a writing pad and few pens of different colors, and here I have taken an organizer where I will be placing my foot cream, my clutches, my rubber bands, like tidbits short of things which I will be placing here. Now comes the most essential thing, my medicines. Here don't be panic friend, really all these medicines are for an entire month. So I'll keep them in another organizer and I'll keep it here. And regarding these books, I will not keep these books here. I'll keep the books in the bottom rack here. I'll show you friends. Just look at the drawer now how better it looks like. Now here I will be setting my books. Reading materials are essential for me, and a touch of green always is a yes for me. So here I have kept my moisturizer, my water bottle, and a touch of green, and this is how the decluttered drawer looks like. Still enough place is left empty here, but I would prefer keeping them empty only so that I can clean them properly. So this is how the final look. Hope you all enjoyed friends.